Brick. Brick. Oh my god, Brick. I'm lagging. The shot bar's like lagging. Oh, Rump. Get them clamps. I can't clamp you. That's game. That's game. I just need one stop. Let's get it.
Mark.
You know I'm gonna pull threes.
Who's that? Who's that?
Right?
What's my name?
I can do mid-range too, you know that, Grumple.
You can't do
It's
pipe.
Jacoby.
Oh, Brick.
That's it.
Watch your mouth, woman.
Now I'm gonna break the rim.
Curry, LeBron, how does it feel to be a pussy ass bitch?
They're still downloading. It's gonna take a long time to download.
Oh, he's still in. That's water. Oh my god. I'm bricking.
What?
Let's get it.
No way. Bruh,
Which guy?
I'm at a B minus just from that. What are you at?
I'm at a C. Ah, that's so gay.
Wait, I'm gonna stop talking for a little.
No, yes, yes. Oh,
Oh, daddy.
I'm only finna dunk or layups.
Oh my gosh, I need to get in front of you.
You gonna get dunked on there, you too little. Ooh,
My
clamps.
sharp bricks. I don't know why. I cannot guard that. I don't understand. It just won't let me get in front of you. If you would have made that.
Oh, you
That has to be money. What the frick? I upgrade my sharp for no reason.
Oh,
Oh my god! There's
yes.
no freaking way. Bro,
What you
oh my
win?
gosh.
What you
I
win
have a
there?
90. What?
What's your teammate grade?
A B?
Mine a B minus.
That's bullcrap. No, that you freaking traveled. You can't pick up a jump. I can see. I can't guard big man. It's like you can't guard a big man with a. See, look at that. That's glitchy. See that?
Yep.
You just literally ran through my arm. Oh my god. See, you're gonna make that. Like, I don't understand how I'm supposed to defend that. Well, my dude's trash. Oh my god. That's game. You wanna play again? Will my ball